What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Andre. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. By now you're probably wondering, how do we say they, their and them in Jamaican Patois? It's actually quite easy, so stick around and I'll explain how we do it after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and I try to do my part to preserve the Jamaican culture. If you've been following the lessons from the beginning, you will notice that we've been using more and more Jamaican Patois and less English. And that is by design because each lesson builds on the previous. So if at any time anything is not clear, you just have to go back to the point of clarity and follow from there on out. Alright, so before we get into the lesson, I just want to recognize my friends over at Pure Jamaica and PureJamaicaMedia.com, and they are doing a beautiful job in featuring the beauty of our culture. Also Kareem from Kareem's Quest, his segments are usually featured in the Jamaica Gleaner. Make sure you check these pages out and follow them and show them your full support. Okay guys, so more Patwah starts now. Okay, so in today's video, we have to look at the 3 ways how we use them in Jamaican Patois. Me especially excited for this video because me have more of my Jamaican friends with me for help out. Okay, so we get into the video. Alright, so the first way we use them in Jamaican Patois is the same as how we use it in English, but we pronounce it them. We will get into why in a later video. For example, me want to talk to them. In English would be I want to talk to them.
Me want to talk to them.
Me want to talk to them.
Me want to talk to them.
Or me will call them. In English, I will call them.
Me we call them.
Me will call them.
Me we call them.
The second way you will see them is when it's used in front of a verb. Then it means they. For example, them know would be they know.
Them know.
Them know.
Them know.
It also follows the state of being rule, eliminating the need for the use of the word are. So it would just simply be them plus whatever the state of being. So for example, them hungry would be they are hungry, or them lost would be they are lost.
Them hungry.
Them hungry.
Them hungry.
Them lost.
Them lost.
Them lost.
The third way we use them is when it's paired with possession. Then it means their. So for example, them family would be their family, or them house would be their house.
Them family.
Them family.
Them family.
Them house.
Them house.
Them house.
One side note though, for say theirs in Jamaican Patois, you will simply put the word fi with them. So if you were asked who something belonged to and it was theirs, your response would be fi them.
Feed them.
Feed them.
Feed them.
Okay, so before we end the video, let me do a quick recap of everything that we learned so far. We have a trip to Jamaica for them. When we get the information, we will get them itinerary. Then we have a good time when them get to the resort. We have all kinds of activities for them and them family. Them for hear back from we by the end of the week. The choice is for them. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to put the English version of the text on the screen. See how much you got correct. If you're still finding it difficult, you may have to go back and rewatch until it becomes clear. Okay guys, we come to the end of another lesson. I have a major checkpoint video scheduled next before we move on to the next level. In the meantime, you can check out the other videos on the channel as well as a couple of student interviews that I just posted recently. It was a lot of fun making this video. But guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever we post a new video, you'll be notified immediately. I'd love to hear from Uno in the comments, so leave a comment, let me know what you thought about this video. Alright guys, so I'll see you on the next video, and until next time, as always, take it easy.